This question is providing a description of some sort of growth model, and then at the very bottom it says they want you to find the y-intercept of this function. So let's read that description and pick out some key information here. An epidemiologist is studying the spread of an infectious disease. The disease started with 10 infections in the country and then multiplied by a growth ratio of 2 every year. So those are the two key pieces of information. So started at 10 and multiplied by a growth ratio of 2 every single year. If the epidemiologist graphs this growth pattern, the y-intercept of this function would be, and they want you to fill in the blank. Well, remember, when you're graphing, you have your x-axis and your y-axis. When they say it started with 10 infections, right, that's a key piece of information, that's when the time is 0. So when the x is, let's say it's years in this case, since we have this 2x every year, it's multiplying by 2 every year, that means these are years in the future. But when x equals 0, which is at this axis here, that's the y-intercept, right? When the graph touches the y-axis. And in this case, it's starting at 10. So when x equals 0, which means no years have elapsed, the disease started at 10 infections. And so the y-intercept would be up here somewhere at the point 0, 10. And so the y-intercept that you would be putting in as your answer is just that 10.